Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. May mga sigaw po ang ating puso, pero alam nating ito ay tagos patungo sa puso ng Diyos. If we are to best describe Hannah, one of our characters in today's first reading, and the man with an unclean spirit in today's gospel, both of them expressingly gave out their own concerns to God. One with a mouth word expression, "What have you to do with us, Jesus of Nazareth? Have you come to destroy us?" And another one with a heartfelt expression of her desire to have a child. Galing sa bibig, galing sa pusong mga sigaw ng kanilang mga damdamin. But with their stories, we come to believe and to hold on to that faith that whatever comes out of our mouth, what comes out of our hearts in prayer, will always be towards and will make their journey towards the heart of God. Patungo ang lahat ng mga ito sa puso ng Panginoon. And we've heard how God has answered their prayers. Hannah and Elkanah bore a son. The man with an unclean spirit was freed from such power. And isn't it that we have been through those moments like Hannah and the unclean man, my dear brothers and sisters, that we have words uttered by our mouth because of an extreme need, and also with an extreme need, our mouth can even utter a word, but sometimes the heart matters a lot. Just like Hannah, mimicking or murmuring the words of her desire. But then, though it's a heartfelt word, though it's a mouth-spoken word, we know that God hears such. Lahat ng ito ay pumaparoon palagi sa puso ng Diyos. And as how Hannah and the unclean man experience such, malalagay din po tayo at marahil sa madaming pagkakataon na ay nakita din natin ng sarili nating nagbabanggit ng ating panalangin sa ating mga bibig o minsan sa bigat din ng ating mga puso. Gaya nga po ng aking sinabi kanina, mga sigaw na tagos sa puso. But let us take to heart and believe in that fact that every word that we utter goes to the heart of God, and with God's goodness, He would readily give it according to His will. Let us not take this so hard for us, but this is a life reality that we have mouth-spoken prayers and also heart-spoken prayers. But all of these will go directly to the heart of God. And because God is good, He will be ready to give us such prayers in His time and in His grace.